yeah. Late night feeling, you on my mind again. Come closer. Soft glow from the city below,
but nothing shines like the way you show.
Every moment when you hold me tight
turns the dark into purest light.
You're breathing calm like ocean waves,
pulling me into sweeter days.
Every touch feels brand new,
like I was always meant for you. No rush when you look my way, time forgets how to behave. Just us in a quiet world, where every feeling slowly unfurls.
Don't move too far from me,
stay right where you should be.
Every second feels divine
when your heart is close to mine. There's no distance when you're near, everything just disappears. Only love inside the air, holding us without a care.
Slow rhythm in your embrace,
I can feel your warm energy trace.
Every heartbeat says your name,
burning like a gentle flame.
Girl, your love got a steady vibe, like a calm sea at nighttime tide.
Any stress just fade away
when you're smiling in my space.
Long drives under street light glow, music low while the feelings grow. And I never felt this kind of peace, like my soul finally released.
You're the truth in a world of lies, the reason my spirit flies, and every word I say is real.
You know exactly how I feel. I don't need no perfect plan, just your hand inside my hand. That's the future I can see.
You right here next to me.
When you whisper in my ear, all my doubts just disappear. And every night you stay with me, feels like destiny. No breaking what we create. This love we celebrate. There's no distance when you're near, everything just disappears. Only love inside the air, holding us without a care.
Moonlight falling on your skin,
pulling me back again and again.
Every dream I ever knew
starts and ends with you. Stay a little longer, please. Lost inside this sweet release. Your love echoes through my soul.
Never letting me go. Yeah. Late night again,
it's just me and you in this energy.
Don't stop.
City lights fade, city lights fade when you pull me close. Every little touch hit me the most. Silk skin under your fingertips, got me stuck in this sweet eclipse. Your voice low like a summer wave, turning night into better days. No space when you stand right here, only love and nothing to fear.
The room spins but we stay still, like time bends to our will. Every breath between us slow, letting feelings freely flow.
Don't leave, don't go, move with me slow. This energy right
feels too alive.
We in a lockdown love tonight, no escape, just feeling right. Every heartbeat synchronized, lost inside your paradise. Hold me close, don't let go, let this rhythm take control. Every second feels so true when I'm locked in here with you.
Girl, you calm every storm in me, turn my chaos into harmony. When you smile, everything clear, like sunshine after the rain up here.
We don't need no outside world, just your body curled in my world. And I promise what I give is real. Every word is how I feel.
Late night drives, windows down. Your laughter, the sweetest sound.
And I never knew love like this. Pure connection in a single kiss.
You the reason my heart behaves. You the peace that I always crave.
And I know it sounds cliche,
but I want you every day.
Stay right here in my arms. Nothing can break this charm. And every moment we combine, feel like your soul was made for mine. No fear, no doubt, no pain. Only love running through our veins. We in a lockdown love tonight. No escape, just feeling right. Every heartbeat synchronized. Lost inside your paradise. Moonlight dancing on your skin. Got me falling deep again. Every dream I ever knew starts and ends with you. Until it fades away.
Late night waves, you're pulling me in again.
Can't resist this feeling.
Soft glow
Pouring through the curtains. Every touch from you feels certain, like the world outside don't exist when we get lost inside a kiss.
Your hand resting on my skin, turning silence into something. Every second slows right down.
When you're the only truth I found. No distance when you're this close. You're the one I want the most. Even breathing feels in sync, like we're standing on the edge of dreams.
Don't let go of me tonight. Everything feels so right.
In your arms I understand.
Love was always in your hands.
You got that island gravity, pulling me so naturally. Every heartbeat, every sign says you're forever mine.
Slow motion when you look at me, lost inside your
energy. Every moment feels brand new when I'm falling into you.
Girl, your love bring balance to my mind. Something rare and hard to find. Every time you come around, peace is the only sound. Oh,
we could sit up to the morning light, talking dreams and holding tight. And I swear I never felt this real, the way you make my heart heal.
No games inside this connection, only truth and pure affection. Every road I used to roam,
now it all leads back home.
You the calm in my confusion, the answer to every question. And I promise what I give is true. My whole heart belongs to you.
When you whisper I believe, you're everything I need. And every time you stay with me, feels like it's meant to be.
No force could pull us apart.
You're already in my heart. You got that island gravity, pulling me so naturally. Every heartbeat, every sign says you're forever mine.
Moonlight falling on your face, love moving at its own pace.
Every dream I ever knew begins and ends with you. Stay right here, don't fade away. This love feels endless in every way.
Yeah, late night pressure, but it feel like love. Come closer to me. Soft sheets, dim lights in the room. Every moment with you feel like bloom. Your touch turning fire into calm. Like a melody wrapped in your palm. You look at me, time slow down. No noise when you're around. Every breath between us tight, like we're floating through the night. No questions, just this vibe. Something honest we can't hide. And I swear when you hold me near, all my doubts disappear. Don't walk away, just stay this way. Your love on me feels like destiny. Yeah, you feel me only tonight. Everything just feels right. Every heartbeat calling your name, burning like a gentle flame. Slow wine in the midnight glow. Don't let this feeling go. Every second pulling through. I keep falling into you. Girl, your love bring peace to my storm. Keep my broken heart warm. Every time you step in my space, just fade without trace. You the type me can't replace. Real energy, pure grace. And I never trust so quick, but you change all of it. Yeah, late night ride, window low. Let the feelings freely flow. And I promise what I give is true. Every road lead back to you. No pretending in this story, just love and honesty. And I swear you make me see what forever really be. When you touch me, I believe you're the air I breathe. And every night you stay right here. Take away my fear. No breaking what we start. You already have my heart. Yeah, you feel me only tonight. Everything just feels right. Every heartbeat calling your name, burning like a gentle flame. Moonlight dancing on your skin, got me falling deep within. Every dream I ever knew starts and ends with you. Yeah, stay close. Don't change. This love feel real in every way. Yeah, late night vibes again. You know what it is. Come closer. Soft glow on your face in the dark. Every touch from you leave a spark. Slow motion when you pull me near. Only your energy I hear. No distance when you stand this close. Yeah, you the one I feel the most. Yeah, every second under your spell feels like heaven, can't you tell? You don't even have to try. You just look and I comply. Something in the way you move got me locked inside your groove. Don't stop now. Keep it right. Stay with me all night. You pull up on me heart tonight. Make everything feel so right. Every rhythm in my chest say you're better than the rest. Slow, I no rush, just flow. Don't let this feeling go. Every heartbeat pulling through. I keep falling into you. Yeah. Girl, you bring calm to my chaos life. Cut through stress like a knife. Every time you touch my soul, you make everything feel whole. No pretending, no disguise. Truth reflecting in your eyes. And I never feel this sure. Love like this is pure. Late night ride, city fade. All my doubts start to break. And I promise what I give is the only way I live. You the reason I stay grounded. Every worry gets silenced. And I know from day one, you the only one. When you hold me, I believe you're the air I need. And every night you stay right here. Take away my
feel.
No breaking what we feel.
This love is real.
You pull up on me out tonight,
make everything feel so right.
every rhythm in my chest.
Say you're better than the rest. Moonlight glowing on your skin got me falling once again. Every dream I ever knew starts and ends with you. Yeah, don't leave,
Just stay,
this love right here.
don't fade away. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Moonlight falling on your body like gold. Every little touch got me losing control.
Tonight feels sweeter than I ever knew.
Yeah.
Candles flicker while the music plays low. Yeah, your eyes telling secrets only lovers know.
Wrapped inside
Your arms, the whole world disappears. Every breath between us melts away my fears.
you pull me closer with your gentle vibe. Every second with you feels alive.
No rushing, let the night move slow. Love like this got its own glow.
Don't say goodbye
Too soon, stay with me under this moon.
Hearts beating perfectly in time. Your soul keeps dancing into mine.
Love me softly, love me deep. Promise me a heart to keep. Every kiss tastes like a dream. Nothing ever felt so sweet.
Body close while the bassline flows. Your reflection shining through my soul.
If forever had a melody, it would sound like you and me.
Girl, your love got peace inside it. Anytime you smile, the stars are thankful. You the type of woman make a man feel strong. Turn a lonely night into a love song.
When you're leaning on me, everything complete. Heartbeat syncing perfectly with the beat. No confusion when I look in your eyes. Only truth and passion every single time. We can ride through the city after dark. Your hand in mine while the skies spark. And I know this feeling never temporary. You and me got something extraordinary.
Slow motion every time you're near.
Your whisper got me floating in the air.
And every moment we create tonight.
Feel like forever wrapped in candlelight.
No fear, no doubts, only chemistry.
Pure love flowing naturally. Love me softly, love me deep. Promise me a heart to keep. Every kiss tastes like a dream. Nothing ever felt so sweet.
Hold me close until the morning comes.
Two hearts glowing brighter than the sun.
Every rhythm, every memory,
Built from love and harmony. Stay right here, don't let go. There's some magic in the afterglow. Your love keeps washing over me like an endless melody.
yeah. Midnight air, your fingers on my skin. Every little spark pulls me in. No place in the world I'd rather be.
Baby shadows dancing on the wall. You whisper softly and my defenses fall. Every touch from you feels heavenly, like the ocean pulling endlessly.
Your heartbeat moving right against mine, slowly turning moments into lifetime.
No pressure, just natural chemistry. Pure affection flowing endlessly.
I can hear the music in your breath, like a love song spinning in my chest. Every glance from you feels warm and true. I keep falling deeper into you.
Stay awake with me tonight, wrapped together in candlelight.
No words needed, we just know
how beautiful this love presence calm my restless mind. Hard to find a love this rare in life. Every road somehow led me to you. Now my world finally feels true.
You the peace sitting inside a fire. Every kiss lifting me higher. Late drives underneath the city glow. Windows open wide, a warm wind blows.
I see forever every time you smile. Make me wanna stay a little while. No pretending when I call your name. My feelings for you never change.
Your love got me moving different now. Made my guarded heart open somehow. And every night I thank the stars above
for blessing me with real love.
When you touch me slowly,
everything fades away.
Only you beside me.
That's where I wanna stay.
No distance breaking what we found.
True love keeps spinning around. Hold me closer, don't let fade. Every memory that we made. Your love sweeter every day. Like moonlight drifting on the way.
Slow dance to the morning light.
Lost together in paradise.
Every heartbeat saying true.
Forever starts with me and you.
Soft whispers underneath the stars. No matter where we are,
Your love always brings me home.
and I never feel alone. Yeah.
You got that look in your eyes tonight.
Like the moon shining after rain.
Pull me closer slowly. Your fingertips glide across my waist. Every little touch leaves a trace. Warm embrace underneath the blue light. Loving you feels so right.
Soft kisses mixed with the bassline sound.
When you're near me, my feet leave the ground. No need for diamonds, no grand display. Your affection enough to make me stay.
We move together like waves in the sea.
Natural rhythm, effortless chemistry.
Every moment wrapped inside your glow.
You're the safest place I know.
Stay here lost inside my arms.
Nothing else can do this charm.
Your heartbeat singing next to mine.
Like perfect music every time. You turn my world into paradise. With every look and every smile. Love so deep it feels timeless. I could stay with you all night. Slow dancing while the stars align. You're so touching every part of mine.
Every rhythm
pulling us close. You're the one I want the most.
Girl, your energy's smooth like summer breeze.
Spring calms my soul with ease.
Anytime you call me near,
all my worries disappear.
Late night rides with your hand in mine. Street lights glowing while our hearts combine. And I never knew a love is real
till you show me how forever feel.
You got elegance mixed with passion too.
Everything beautiful lives inside you.
No games, only honesty
and trust. It's the reason our connection's strong enough.
When you lean against me slow,
I feel peace deep down below.
Every second with you worth gold.
A love story meant to unfold. Shenseea softly in my ear.
Tell me everything sincere,
and I promise every day
I'll protect this love our way.
Two hearts moving naturally, bound together endlessly. You turn my world into paradise with every touch and every smile. Love so deep it feels timeless. I could stay with you all night.
Moonlight shining on our skin,
falling over and over again. Every dream becoming true inside this love with me and you.
Morning comes but I still stay
Wrapped inside your sweet embrace.
Your love keeps pulling me near,
like my favorite melody to hear.
feel different.
Closer, closer.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
There's a calm inside your touch, makes me want you twice as much. Every whisper down my spine turns the dark into sunshine. Your silhouette against the door makes my heartbeat ask for more. Every kiss gentle and true, I lose myself inside of you.
No pressure when we move this way,
just pure feelings on display.
hands locked while the vinyl spin.
Love like this should never end. Stay with me till morning light, keep me safe all through the night. Every second feels brand new when my world is next to you.
Don't change up, stay the same.
Keep loving me this way.
Every rhythm, every flame,
Pull me deeper every day.
slow wine under neon skies.
Passion glowing in your eyes.
No matter where this life may go.
You're the only love I know.
Yeah. Girl, your aura got me hypnotized. Pure affection every time you smile. You bring peace to my restless soul. With you beside me, I feel whole.
Driving through the hills after midnight, radio low while the stars shine bright. Your head resting softly on my chest, that's the kind of feeling I love best.
No fake energy around this thing.
Only trust in the joy you bring, and I know what we have too rare. Real love floating in the air. Every conversation healing me. You and I move naturally, and no matter what tomorrow do, I'll still come running back to you. Your voice got me caught in a dream. Nothing ever felt this way.
And every night you're close to me, feel like love in perfect key.
Two hearts beating side by side, holding on to paradise. Keep loving me this way.
Every rhythm, every flame,
Pull me deeper every day.
moonlight dancing on your skin.
Makes me fall for you again.
Every heartbeat saying true.
I belong right here with you. Oh, yeah. Softly fading with the dawn, but this feeling still lives on. Your love stays inside my soul, like a song that never grows old.
Yeah.
Your love got me floating tonight.
No escape from this feeling. Yeah.
Yeah. Your love got me floating tonight.
No escape from this feeling.
Rain tapping softly on the glass, while your fingertips move slow across my back. Yeah. Every little shiver that you start feels like poetry inside my heart. Your scent lingering in the room like sweet flowers underneath the moon. And every word you say so low makes my whole body lose control.
No distractions when you hold me near. Only love filling up the atmosphere. Time pauses every time we kiss. Nothing in this world sweeter than this.
Stay close, don't drift away. I could live inside this place. Your affection keeps me warm, like shelter in a storm. You give me love full of life, soft and deep all through the night. Every rhythm pulling tight, two hearts moving side by side.
Slow motion when you touch my skin. I keep falling once again.
No fantasy could ever compare
To the kind of love we share. Girl, you brighten every corner of my mind. Hard to believe I love this pure existing life. Every laugh from you ease my pain, like sunshine after heavy rain.
We can disappear into the night, ocean breeze and city light.
Your hand locked safely into mine.
Everything about us feel alive.
No pretending when I speak these words. You the sweetest thing this heart deserves. And every day I learn something new about the magic living inside you.
You make silence feel beautiful too. Just laying there close to you. No rush, let the feeling breathe. Real love giving us breeze. When your lips meet mine slowly, I feel sparks all over me. And every second that we share make me know this love real. No fear when we intertwine. Your forever fits with mine. You give me love full of light, soft and deep all through the night. Every rhythm pulling tight, two hearts moving side by side.
Moonlight painting golden shades on every memory we make,
And every dream becomes so clear whenever you are here. Morning sun, morning sun. Where the curtains blow, still don't wanna let you go.
your love stays
Wrapped around my soul like waves that never stop their flow.
yeah. You got me caught inside your love tonight.
Slow fire burning.
No escape from you.
Mm, mm, mm,
Na, 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 na.
oh. Dim lights glowing on your skin so smooth. Every move you make pulls me closer to you. Your heartbeat got a rhythm of its own, and somehow it feels just like home.
You whisper softly while the speakers play. Love songs floating through the haze. Every kiss leaves a memory behind, like your name written across my mind.
No one ever touched my soul this deep. You turn restless nights into peaceful sleep. Wrapped together while the hours pass, hoping every moment lasts.
Stay here in my atmosphere. Everything better when you're near. No need to hide what we feel inside.
Love shining brighter tonight. I can't get over your love, sweet like the stars above. Every touch keeps lifting me up. Your affection never enough.
Slow dancing underneath blue lights, holding on to you all night.
Every heartbeat speaking truth. I keep falling into you.
Girl, your energy healing my scars. You bring peace straight into my heart. Anytime you're resting by my side, feel like the whole world aligned. Long drives after midnight rain. Your soft voice running through my brain. And every laugh you let out free sounds sweeter than a melody.
No fake vibes when it comes to us, only passion mixed with trust. And I will cross any ocean wide just to keep you satisfied.
You the calm when life move rough, the reason my heart opened up. Every day I cherish what we built. A real connection, never guilt. Your love got me weak
In the knees, like warm summer air and breeze.
in every moment.
That we share
Make me know you
truly care. No fear when we hold on tight.
true souls.
Glowing in the night. I can't get over your love, sweet like the stars above. Every touch keeps lifting me up. Your affection never enough.
Moonlight shining,
Through the dark,
your love leaves a
glowing mark. Every dream feels beautiful too whenever I'm next to you.
soft whispers.
Fading with the dawn,
Still your love,
keeps lingering on
like a song my heart repeats.
endlessly, endlessly, endlessly.
Yeah. Your love feel like midnight rain. Soft touch, warm vibe, pull me in again. Yeah. You walking slow with that quiet confidence. Now my heartbeat losing all defense. Every glance distance from you feels dangerous, but in the sweetest kind of rush. Velvet air and the candles low, your hands tracing circles slow. Every second wrapped inside your arms feels safer than the world beyond. No need for fancy words tonight, your eyes already saying everything right. And when your lips meet mine so soft, I never wanna break it off. Stay near, don't drift away, I could love you every day. This connection feels so true, like every dream leads back to you. You give me something natural, pure affection magical. Every rhythm in my chest tells me you're the very best. Slow wine while the bassline breathe, love wrapped around me deeply. Every night feels brand new whenever I'm alone with you. Girl, your smile brighter than city lights, make every dark moment feel alright. And I never knew peace this way till your love found me one day. Long conversation till the sunrise, truth and passion living in your eyes. No pretending when I call your name, everything between us feel unchanged. Ocean breeze while we drive alone, your head resting gently on my shoulder bone. And every mile that the road unfolds only make my feelings stronger to hold. You the balance when my world moves fast, the type of love built to last. Every touch from you so sincere, make me wanna keep you near. Your heartbeat matching perfectly, like a melody surrounding me. And every second in your embrace, feel like I finally found my place. No distance could pull apart the connection living in our hearts. You give me something natural, pure affection magical. Every rhythm in my chest tells me you're the very best. Moonlight dancing on your face, love moving at a gentle pace. Every dream I'm dreaming now starts and ends with us somehow. Morning light across the room, still your scent remains like perfume. Your love echoing through my soul, like waves I can't control. Yeah. Tonight feels different, to love moving slow like a wave. And I don't wanna rush it. Soft music floating through the air, your shadow dancing everywhere. You pull me close without the word, and suddenly my heart gets hurt. Fingers tracing gently on my skin, every touch pulls me deeper in. No chaos when you're holding me, only peace and chemistry. Your eyes glowing underneath the light, like stars staying up all night. And every kiss you place on me feels sweeter than fantasy. Stay slow, don't let the feeling run. I just wanna live inside this love. Every second feels so true when I'm wrapped up close to you. Take your time with my heart tonight, love me slow till the morning light. Every rhythm, every sigh feels like paradise inside. Body close while the speakers play, all my worries fade away. No matter where the world may move, I only wanna move with you. Girl, your love got a calming sound, like ocean waves when the sun go down. Every moment with you feel complete, like destiny in time and finally meet. Late night cruising through the avenue, street lights glowing gold on you. And every smile that you give me free, make this life feel heavenly. No fake love in the things I say, I mean every word when I tell you stay. You the type of woman hard to find, pure soul with a beautiful mind. And when you lean your head on me, I feel something deep spiritually, like all the searching that I done before. Let me ride to your door, whisper softly in the dark.
You already own my heart,
and every touch between us now
feel like forever somehow.
No fear when we intertwine.
Your future fitting into mine.
Take your time with my heart tonight. Love me slow to the morning light.
Every rhythm, every sigh feels like paradise inside.
Moonlight resting on your face.
Love moving with amazing grace. Every dream becoming true inside this moment shared with you. Sunrise slowly painting gold. Still your arms won't let me go. Your love staying next to me like my favorite memory.
Yeah, this love feel different tonight. Soft touch, deep vibe, you already know. Oh,
Blue light glowing through the room. Your fragrance lingering like perfume. Every step you take pulls me near, like my soul only listens to you here. Your hands resting slow on my waist. My heart be changing up its pace. Every kiss feels warmer than before. Got me wanting you even more.
no distractions when we lock eyes. Everything fades into the night.
Just your voice and the bass line low. Moving together nice and slow.
Stay, stay, stay,
Stay close, don't break away. I could live inside this space. Your affection feels so true. Like every road leads back to you. This ain't no regular love. You fit me perfectly like a glove. Every touch lifting me high, like stars dancing in the sky.
slow dance while the speakers breathe.
You put a passion out of me. Every second shining bright, wrapped inside your love tonight.
Yeah. Girl, your energy pure and rare, like a blessing floating through the air. Anytime you're resting by my side, feel like the world finally aligned.
Late night talks till the sunrise show. True flowing naturally and slow. No games hidden in your heart. That's why I never wanna part.
You the peace inside my soul.
The fire keeping my soul warm. And every time you call my name, I know my life won't stay the same. Ocean breeze while we driving far, watching city lights and shooting stars. And every mile we leave behind only bring our spirits more combined.
When you whisper close to me, everything turned heavenly. And every night we spend is
Way
made me never wanna
stray. Two hearts caught inside the flame. Forever never sound the same. This ain't no regular love. You fit me perfectly like a glove. Every touch lifting me high, like stars dancing in the sky.
moonlight glowing on your
Skin got me falling once again. Every dream I'm dreaming now starts and ends with us somehow. Soft wind moving through the night. Still your love holding me tight, like a melody that never fades, living inside me always.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Late night, slow breeze,
Your love moving like water.
I feel it deep. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
City quiet, only your voice remains. Soft rhythm running through my veins. Every look from you slows the time, like the world forgets how to climb.
Your fingers brushing my thoughts away, turning every worry into clay, molding peace inside your touch. Never knew love could feel this much.
We don't need to speak too loud. Silence wraps us like a cloud. Every second feels brand new, just existing next to you.
Don't let this moment fade.
Stay right where you stay.
Everything feels aligned
when your heart meets mine. You hold my heart so close tonight, like stars refusing to lose their light.
Every breath feels soft and true.
I keep falling into you. Slow motion when you pull me in, like the world just disappears again. No distance, no fear, no doubt. Only love we're talking about.
Girl, your love got that healing tone. Make a man feel less alone. Every time you step in the room, darkness turn into bloom. We could ride through the midnight rain. No stress, no pressure, no pain. Your laughter lighter than the air, like freedom living everywhere.
And I promise what I give is real. Every word, every way I feel. No pretending, no switching sides. Just truth I can't disguise.
You the calm when life gets loud, my peace when storms come around. And I swear I never knew forever until I met you.
Your touch make my world slow down. I don't wanna lose you now.
And every moment you're with me,
feel like pure serenity.
No breaking wall we built inside.
Love steady, no need to hide. You hold my heart so close tonight, like stars refusing to lose their light.
Every breath feels soft and true.
Like a promise I won't forget.
Yeah. Late night feeling, you on my mind again. Come closer. Soft glow from the city below,
but nothing shines like the way you show.
Every moment when you hold me tight
turns the dark into purest light.
You're breathing calm like ocean waves,
pulling me into sweeter days.
Every touch feels brand new,
like I was always meant for you. No rush when you look my way, time forgets how to behave. Just us in a quiet world, where every feeling slowly unfurls.
Don't move too far from me,
stay right where you should be.
Every second feels divine
when your heart is close to mine. There's no distance when you're near, everything just disappears. Only love inside the air, holding us without a care.
Slow rhythm in your embrace,
I can feel your warm energy trace.
Every heartbeat says your name,
burning like a gentle flame.
Girl, your love got a steady vibe, like a calm sea at nighttime tide.
Any stress just fade away
when you're smiling in my space.
Long drives on the street like glow, music low while the feelings grow. And I never felt this kind of peace, like my soul finally released.
You're the truth in a world of lies, the reason my spirit flies, and every word I say is real.
You know exactly exactly how I feel. I don't need no perfect plan, just your hand inside my hand. That's the future I can see.
You right here next to me.
When you whisper in my ear, all my doubts just disappear. And every night you stay with me, feels like destiny. No breaking what we create. This love we celebrate. There's no distance when you're near. Everything just disappears. Only love inside the air, holding us without a care.
Moonlight falling on your skin,
Pulling me back again and again.
every dream I ever knew
Starts and ends with you. Stay a little longer, please. Lost inside this sweet release. Your love echoes through my soul.
never letting me go. Yeah, late night again.
It's just me and you in this energy.
Don't stop.
City lights fade. City lights fade when you pull me close. Every little touch hit me the most. Silk skin under your fingertips, got me stuck in this sweet eclipse. Your voice low like a summer wave, turning night into better days. No space when you stand right here. Only love and nothing to fear.
The room spins but we stay still, like time bends to our will. Every breath between us slow, letting feelings freely flow.
Don't leave, don't go. Move with me slow. This energy right
feels too alive.
We in a lockdown love tonight. No escape, just feeling right. Every heartbeat synchronized, lost inside your paradise. Hold me close, don't let go. Let this rhythm take control. Every second feels so true when I'm locked in here with you.
Girl, you calm every storm in me, turn my chaos into harmony. When you smile, everything clear, like sunshine after the rain up here.
We don't need no outside world, just your body curling my world. And I promise what I give is real. Every word is how I feel.
Late night drives, windows down, your laughter the sweetest sound.
And I never knew love like this, pure connection in a single kiss.
You the reason my heart behaves, you the peace that I always crave.
And I know it sounds cliche,
but I want you every day.
stay right here in my arms, nothing